Acceleration boost, the $2,000 elephant in the room. But should you even get it? My answer is no, but also yes. But wait, let me explain. I have here the Model Y long range, and it currently goes 0 to 60 in 4.8 seconds. I've never tested that though, so I'm going to be testing that today. But what if I told you there's a secret? With a simple software update done directly from your Tesla app, that 0 to 60 can be dropped down to 4.3 seconds, and some have even said 4.2 seconds. On the chart below, I'm going to drop down the comparisons between Model 3 and Model Y of getting the acceleration boost and not having it. But forget what people say, I'm going to need proof. And I bet so do you, especially if you're considering buying the acceleration boost. So there's only one thing left. Let's put it to the test. 3, 2... Holy! Holy. I wanted to see if my wife can notice the difference. So I'm gonna call her in here in a second, how the 0 to 60 feels before the acceleration boost and after. And we get a perspective from the point of a passenger. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, my wife! So I've brought you here for a very, very special reason. I have decided to get the acceleration boost for the Model Y.
Isn't that like $2,000? I've been wanting a couch for so long. It's so hard to sit on.
Wait. What if I told you we're getting it for free? Thanks to these amazing folks who have used our Tesla referral link, we'll be getting the acceleration boost through our Tesla credits.
Ooh, does that mean we can get the couch?
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Woo!
Oh, that's fast. Whoa, looks like it's speed round time of the 3 pros of getting the acceleration boost. Number 1, your Tesla will be quicker, as stated before, so if you're a thrill seeker looking to maneuver through traffic quicker, this is definitely for you. Just don't go around racing grannies at red lights. Number 2, increase the value of your Tesla. While I have no data set to back this up, I can say there's an acceleration boost filter on Tesla's inventory website, and if I was a buyer, I would definitely give the edge to the car that actually has it. Number 3, you can refund it within 48 hours, so you won't have to cry if you feel like you didn't get the bang for your buck. Tesla owners love accessories, and I wanted to share one with you. And no, don't worry, this is not sponsored. This is just one of the best phone window mounts that I've ever used. It's great for using navigation off your phone. To install, it takes less than 10 seconds. Simply push the tab down once pressed against the window, and tighten the screw when you find the perfect angle. I have also been using it to get different cool driving shots for this video. And to remove, simply go in reverse and release the tab. Link in the description if you're interested in buying one for yourself. So we just completed all of our runs without the acceleration boost, and already we feel like it's really, really fast. But let's step it up a notch. Let's go the extra mile and get the acceleration boost. So I'll walk you through what that process is like, right? So we go to the Tesla app, go down here, scroll down and hit upgrades. And this is when you don't have Tesla credits, right? So you go to upgrades, you go to software upgrades, and you'll see buy. So for me, it's $2,700 because I'm Canadian. But if you live in the United States, that's $2,000 USD. So what you typically do is you click the add button, and you see over here, ours says improved 0 to 100 kilometers per hour time, 5 seconds, goes down to 4.4 seconds. Time is different because 100 kilometers versus 60 miles, which is not the same thing. So I won't be buying it because, as previously mentioned, I'll be using the Tesla credits. You go to this box up on top, and you'll see here, if I go to the redeem bar, I click on this tab. There's 4 tabs. There's featured products, lifestyle, accessories, and upgrade. So you want to go to upgrades, and when you scroll down, you'll see the acceleration boost, which is 9,500 credits. So we have enough to redeem this, so let's redeem it. So when you do click the button, you'll see a VIN pop up for your car, and we have only one Tesla. We're not balling, we have more than one Tesla. So one Tesla over here, we click on that, and it says redeem. Shall I redeem? I'm gonna redeem. This is exciting. You can tell I'm smiling. So order received. Your car will upgrade with Wi-Fi. I'm pretty sure that's what it meant. But we don't have premium connectivity, so it won't upgrade. So my tip to you is to use hotspot. So I'm gonna activate my hotspot here. Okay, Don't steal my Wi-Fi password. So that's what we've been using for Netflix and anything premium connectivity related. We just use my hotspot because I have a lot of data. Now we shall wait for something to happen. We don't know how long it'll take, but it'll happen soon. So we're seeing a lot of inactivity. I don't see anything happening. I am catching the Wi-Fi. So what I will be doing is stepping out of the car, because some people say try doing that if it doesn't activate right away. So I just noticed this, the screen didn't actually reset, but when I went to software and I scroll down, I see that acceleration boost is in the included package. So that's one way to tell if you've got the acceleration boost. So I see it there. And another way to tell is your pedals and steerings, I believe. Oh, it's not here yet. So the acceleration should change from standard to sport. Take two, I'm gonna go to pedals and steering. Oh, sports, it's done, it's ready. So there's only one thing left to do. Let's put this to the test. I have my wife Zen back, and now I'm gonna see if she can notice a difference between having the acceleration boost and not having it. How are you feeling?
Excited.
We'll both share the experience together, and with y'all, you can see our reaction. So 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that's definitely faster. That's definitely quicker for sure. That's definitely quicker for sure. Without a doubt. Did you notice the difference?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Especially, so I'll say this, so not right off the zero, but when it hits around 20 to 30 kilometers around there, you really feel the extra acceleration and torque kicking in. It's unreal.
Yeah. Love it. Love the acceleration boost.
Wow. Let's do one more for kicks, because that was a lot of fun.
I can just feel it even right now. It's a lot smoother.
The Model 3 and Model Y long ranges all have the ability already. So it's just a matter of just paying for it, right? So one thing I'll say, and some people, it might be a little bit controversial, but I believe Tesla should have given everyone that was affected by their price cuts the acceleration boost for free. Just some way, to make the current customers happy, because we have lost a lot of value on our car. Just some way to compensate us. What do you think, yeah?
Yeah, I agree.
You agree?
Yeah.
Final run with the acceleration boost in 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Woo! Woo! I mean, yeah, never gets old. It truly never gets old. That was a solid roll. I gotta keep you on your toes. Here's another speed round of the 2 cons of getting the acceleration boost. Number 1, faster tire wear. Now, if you're getting the acceleration boost, chances are you have the need for speed. And continuously flooring it from a standstill puts tremendous wear on your tires. So even though this is dependent on your driving habits, just keep that in mind and go easy on the acceleration from time to time. Number 2, less battery range. Now, before you panic, because I know all Tesla owners are range freaks, this too will depend on your driving style. So if you're pressing the acceleration down more often than not, you're utilizing more power from your battery. Hence, you will have less range and spend more time charging your battery. However, day to day, this really shouldn't have an impact on your commute. Road trips, however, might be a different story. In the beginning, I said yes and no. Here's a scenario where I'd say yes. If you already have the Model Y long range and you have Tesla credits, 100%. All you have to do is find one buddy, one family member just to refer to, and you can get 10,000 credits and you can refer someone to the car. Another scenario is, it is $2,000 USD. So if you happen to have disposable income, go for it, because you will notice the speed, right? And it's all about perspective. I think we all value different things. Some people can justify spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars on their record collection, but I can just get that through a Spotify, right? So it's all about perspective, what you value more out of your money and what you think is value in terms of what you get. One scenario where I'd say don't get it, and it's a no for me, is when you're thinking about buying the performance model or the long range. The price difference between the Model Y performance and the Model Y long range is only $4,000. And think of how much more you get from the performance. You get a rear spoiler, you get bigger rims, 21-inch rims, you get red calipers, you get metal pedals, you get even more performance. It goes 0 to 60, I believe, at 3.7 seconds. Just for double the cost, you get way more out of your car. Personally, if I was in that scenario and I was buying between the long range or the performance, I would just get that instead of thinking about buying the long range plus the acceleration boost. Watch the video before of what it was like to have this Tesla for 6 months.